This video is a brief introduction to the products that we use. You will learn more about the proper use of these cleaning products within the other training videos as well. NutriClean is the floor cleaner that we use on our clients' floors. After filling the mop bucket up to the maximum fill line with hot water, you simply squeeze the NutriClean bottle up to the orange fill line and then pour the solution into the mop bucket. It is important to fill up to the orange line and not over, as too much of the solution will make our clients' floors sticky and hazy. Barkeeper's Friend is a great cleaner for getting up rust and hard water stains in both kitchens and bathrooms. Be careful with this product though, as it is powdered and can make quite a mess when not used sparingly. Make sure to always rinse this product off completely, especially when used on stovetops, and never use in copper or black sinks. Our number one MultiPurpose Cleaner is a product made by One Organized Mom. The number one is safe to use on all surfaces. This MultiPurpose Cleaner is primarily used for cleaning glass. Due to its high volume of water, it can be applied and dried with a cloth. No need to rinse. Though this product is highly diluted with water, make sure to only spray it onto a microfiber cloth and never directly on a surface. Our number two bathroom cleaner is a product made by One Organized Mom. If this product is available, please use sparingly, as the ingredients are very hard to find. This product is great for killing black mold and pink mold in bathrooms. Hypochlorous Acid is a product made by One Organized Mom. This product should be used especially in high-touch areas, such as doorknobs, handles, and faucets. This product helps disinfect the COVID virus. Hypochlorous acid will not stain and is safe for use in all areas. Make sure to spray this product directly onto a microfiber cloth and never spray it directly on furniture.
Be very careful when using Bolex. This is an acid-based product that is only used for the interior of toilets. Bolex removes hard water stains. Make sure to never mix with any other chemical. One way to ensure that this is never mixed with another cleaner is to check the color of the toilet water. If the toilet water is blue, do not use Bolex, as the toilet already has another chemical in it. Always make sure to close the toilet lid while the product is working. This is primarily used for kitchen appliances. Never use stainless steel in a sink or on commercial water fountains. Only spray on your microfiber cloth and use very little, as a little goes a long way. You do not want the appliances to be too greasy. On any appliance, start from the bottom and work your way up, going with the grain of the appliance.
Bioesque is a botanical disinfectant solution. This is a special offering clients pay extra for. We will only use this product if it is listed under your add-on section of our system. After your entire clean is finished, re-enter the home and use this solution on all high-touch surfaces. Remember to spray your cloth first. One bottle of this product may be kept in your vehicle at all times. Make sure the bottle is full. Easy Off Oven Cleaner. This product is used in move-in and move-out cleans, rental cleans, and regular maintenance cleaning, but only if the client has paid extra for the service. When using this product, spray in the oven and close the oven door and allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Use microfiber cloths to wipe out the oven, and finally use a damp one to finish removing the excess cleaner from the oven. One important detail to remember when using Clorox cleanup is that it does not kill mold. It only lightens the color. Additionally, never spray this product on rust stains, as it will set the rust stain. Also, please remember to never use inside toilets. Only use Clorox in showers and some kitchen sinks. And never use Clorox on a client's furniture. A little of this product goes a long way. Please use this product sparingly, as it's hard to come by these days. Dawn dish soap works well for grease and hard water stains. This product is safe to use in kitchens and bathrooms. Make sure to rinse well after cleaning and avoid leaving a lot of soap residue behind. Remember, when using Dawn dish soap to clean a client's dishes, only use with one of our blue sponges. Never use a client's sponge.